It didn't work very well.
It's a shitload of pipe. A whole bunch of it. This is how this works. Pipe comes out of the septic tank, goes down, 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 down. To this D box. Now I ain't figured out about this yet. I'm gonna have to do some digging. No pun intended. But once these come down here, I know these leach lines need a 1/4 inch fall every 10 feet. I don't know about this yet, because that's a lot steeper than that. But the ground is also steeper than that, so I don't know. Maybe it doesn't matter. Comes out of the D box. I got two 290s. This will run to there. I got shorted a pipe at my Lowe's order. And then we will go up with the perforated pipe. Make it do the 1/4 inch per 10 foot fall through there. Fill up the sides with gravel. And then we'll call that dude to come out and look. See if it's good. When he says okay, then we can cover this up and I get a big old part of my yard back. I'll be happy, and I know she will be too. Look how cute she is up there, listening to the goats. Alrighty, that's really it. So we'll get back with you on it as it progresses. I'm not doing anything else today. I'm tired. I worked all day, and then I worked after work, and then I picked all this up, and then I loaded all this, and so I'm done. Anyhow, bye. Okay, what I've done is just run this leach line somewhat with the fall that we want going that way. I got it close because, as you can tell, there is a lot of gravel we got to backfill in there still, and this, I need to pick all this up here. But from this stick, the next stick are not the way I want them to be, but every stick back is ish. So we're getting there, but I figure I could get all of this backfilled and then try to level this up the way I want it, or yeah, get it the way it should be. I got the back 30 feet are all filled up, so I got 60 feet coming this way that we just got to add some to. We're probably going to run into that on the other side as well, but I don't think as badly, because we laid it in a little thicker when we laid the bed down for it. Down to here, elbow, we're going to run straight PVC up into the D-box. You see, I got to cut those plants out of the way. They grow so fast. Then we have another line going up that way, so we'll do the same thing we're doing over here that way. So, but I'm tired. It's like 4 o'clock in the afternoon, almost 5. We've been we had a goat we thought was sick, but I think she's okay. It turned out she was just like chipmunking food in her mouth, just like keeping a bunch of grass in her mouth, and it looked like her cheeks were swollen, but they weren't. Weird. Anyhow, that's what we dealt with this morning, so I didn't get a lot done. Not as much as I wanted done, I should say. We still got quite a bit done.
Mm-hmm. What? Is he mad? What's he mad about? What you mad about? Hmm? What you mad about? You wanna rub his belly? You wanna rub your belly?
Hi, Frank. Hi, Frank.
Yeah, she's a sweet girl. Smell my boots? Don't bite my boots! That's not for biting. That's not for biting.
That's my water.
Uh-huh. Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's a good spot, huh? That's a good spot. Here you go. That's pretty. Peek. That's what I thought.
It's just to try to eat your hairs.
He says it's green, like grass. Well, hi, Nanners. You're a big old pig.
Oh, heating this tank up, trying to get this dent out of it.
We got a lot of work to do. We gotta find a lid. And we gotta fix it.
We fixed 2 spots there.
Yeah.
And there.
We did fix 2 spots. I might have to just voice over it. I don't know. Because of that thing. Got a lot of work down here to do. But hopefully that thing will work. And the poop tank will be fixed and we won't have to buy a new one. It's me in the doo-doo tank. Hello, I'm in the doo-doo tank.
Take that hammer and tap this side.
Okay, hold on.
See it just slide.
Do you want me to turn it on and heat it up?
No, it's sliding on the tank.
Oh.
We're working on getting the dents out. We got this one out.
What are you doing?
Me and Jamie did. I'm crawling into the shitter tank. Or you can bleep it out.
Yeah.
Or here. I'm crawling into the septic tank. You just cut that whole part out. I'm crawling into the septic tank.
Go.
Look at it. It's gross. Okay.
Spider-Man.
Wish me luck. It's hot in here. That gun makes it hot.
Yeah.
That's Mikey, what are you doing?
Hey, Mikey, what are you doing?
Using this heat gun.
Does it smell good in there?
Huh?
Does it smell good in there?
I mean, no, it doesn't really smell like anything but hot plastic right now.
Okay, good.
Which one are you on, Michael?
3rd one over.
Get him a good side. Yeah, it's going. Yeah,
Almost.
You get in your face? Go! Yeah, go! No, good! Not no. It's alright, it's coming. It's gonna work, bro. Hang on.
Please don't drop that.
I'm not dropping it.
Okay.
You're in the poop tank?
I'm in the poop tank. We're getting dents out though.
Getting dents.
Getting dents out of the poop tank and fixing holes.
Just kidding.
And it sucks a lot. But
Adventure.
the things you have to do when you're poor.
Yeah. So what are we using?
Huh?
What are we using over here?
Piggies. Piggies. Piggies.
Manners.
Ted.
What are you doing, Bobby? What is it? Is it a scratch my butt?
They won't hang out right next to the damn fire.